In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert code in Wix while using dev mode. If you're eager to add some custom functionality to your site, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you're seamlessly integrating code into your Wix site. First, you'll need to navigate to your Wix editor. This is different from the dashboard, so make sure you're in the right place. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll see an option that says dev mode, or if you haven't turned it on before, it may say turn on dev mode. Go ahead and click on this. When you click on dev mode, a prompt will appear. It will ask you to enable dev mode. Confirm this by clicking on enable dev mode. This mode gives you access to additional tools and code menus that are essential for inserting custom code into your Wix site. With dev mode enabled, the real magic happens as we move on to inserting your code into a page. Once you've made sure dev mode is on, you're ready to proceed to the next part. Working directly with your site's pages. Let's talk about inserting code into the page. While still in the editor with dev mode active, you'll have access to an array of options and you can start embedding your custom code. This step is crucial if you want to enhance a specific aspect of your web page with personalized code features. Now, if you intend to use backend code, this can be done when you work within dev mode. Backend code is useful for more complex functionalities like creating and managing collections, working with APIs, or any server-side logic you need. With dev mode turned on, you'll have the developer tools at your disposal. All necessary configurations and coding can take place here, offering you vast possibilities to tailor your site's operations. But there's more. If you aim to insert HTML or any external scripts, you'll navigate through the editor by selecting Add, going to Embed, and then choosing Embed HTML. Once you're there, drag the HTML iframe box onto your page. This box acts as a placeholder where your external script or HTML code will reside. By clicking Enter Code within that iframe box, you can paste your HTML or JavaScript snippet. With this addition, any interactive or external features can be seamlessly incorporated into your site. Following these steps will empower you to inject new functionalities, making your Wix site more dynamic and tailored to your specific needs. Remember to preview your site to ensure everything is functioning as expected before publishing. This careful manipulation of the dev mode tools will be instrumental in bringing your creative ideas to life. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these steps useful for your Wix development journey.